Hey Miguel, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your business pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. I didn't see a website here or a Google business profile. So let's take a look at what those two things can do for you. OKC Concrete is an example of a keyword which you would add on your website whenever you make one. And so when people search this here, the first thing that pops up is the Google Map Pack section. And so to be able to rank in this section, you need a Google business profile. And then you want to have more citations, reviews, and photos than other businesses. And then what a citation is it is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And the reason that you want to be ranking here is because 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Pack section, and people tend not to go to the more businesses. So if we scroll down here, this is where your website would rank. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 here because a lot of the rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the top 3. Most people do not go past that first page here. So let's take a look at the top ranking business for this keyword, Bill's Custom Concrete. So here is the website. When you do make a website, you want to have these click to call buttons throughout. That helps with conversion. And these forms as well. So they're doing a good job with content. When you do make a website, you want to make sure that you have at least 1,500 words on your website. And the reason is because that Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they are going through all the website's content, and they're looking for those keywords like the OKC Concrete that we Googled embedded in that content. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage of your website to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. So let's take a look at the back end of their website. And so these numbers here, these ratings are pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is just the authority and trustworthiness of a website. And what makes these numbers up here are backlinks. So they have 1.82 thousand backlinks coming from 327 referring domains. And what a backlink is it's just one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out because Google's just one big popularity contest. And something to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them are spammy and will bring these numbers down. So you want good quality backlinks to boost these numbers here. So that's something to keep in mind when you do make a website. You want to make sure that you are adding good quality backlinks so that you can have more power and more authority, and more trust than other websites like Bill's Custom Concrete, so that you can be ranking for those services that you provide. So Bill's Custom Concrete has 690 keywords on their website. So let's take a look. So they have these keywords on their website, and since their website has so much authority, they are ranking for these keywords. And so Concrete Contractor OKC, 300 people are searching for this every month. Concrete OKC, 250, 300, 250, 350, 300, 300, and this list just keeps going. So you can see why a website would really help you get more customers. And so I recommend making that website, making sure you have enough content on it with the keywords that you want to rank for, because there are a ton of other keywords of services that you provide as well. And then having a Google business profile and ranking it as well. The more people that have eyes on your site, the more customers that you'd be getting. So if you need any help doing any of these things, I'd be more than happy to help. And thank you for your time.